How to filter spam and offensive comments on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that, and now in the settings and privacy page, under the account tab, you will see the option for privacy. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the comments option under the interactions tab. Here, you will see the option for filter unwanted comments. So go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for filter unwanted comments. And with this, recent comments that may be offensive or spam will be hidden unless you approve them. So this was about how you can filter spam and offensive comments on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.